In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from Bitget wallet and cash out if you want to as well. So how do we cash out from Bitget wallet? We can't cash out directly from the wallet itself. That's because this is a crypto wallet and it doesn't have any links to the banking system. So what we need to do is send crypto out of the wallet to a centralized exchange. Then from the centralized exchange, we can swap the crypto for cash and send out to our bank. Now, Bitget wallet is the wallet of Bitget centralized exchange. So you may want to use those if you have an account there already. But in some regions, they may not have good banking support. So you can send crypto from this wallet to any centralized exchange. It doesn't matter. So you can choose the best exchange for your region. I'll leave some links below to the exchanges I use, and I'll put some of the currencies that they handle down below as well. So you can see your currency, and if they handle it, that will be the exchange to use. You need to sign up on the centralized exchange and have that account first and set up your banking links with the centralized exchange. I've got video guides on all the major exchanges as well, so I'll leave all of that down below for you. Sending crypto out of the wallet is very simple, so I'll show you how to do this now. If you're sending crypto out of the wallet to another wallet or another user, super easy. If you're sending crypto to a centralized exchange because you want to cash out, you just have to make sure that the assets that you're sending over to that centralized exchange are supported on that exchange. So if you have a small meme coin or a gaming coin or something like that, the exchange that you're using may not support that asset at all. So what you'll need to do if you want to cash out of the wallet is switch your crypto first into one of the major tokens. Switch it into something like a big stable coin or the layer 1 coin of the chain that you're using. If you're using Ethereum or the ETH layer 2 networks, switch everything into ETH. You can cash out all of the ETH balance at the same time. If you're using Solana, switch everything into Sol, cash out the Sol. If you're using Tron, you can switch to TRX and then cash out all of the TRX. If you're using a stable coin and sending that out, you still need to leave behind some gas to pay for the transaction and the send out of the wallet. So if you're looking to completely cash out all of the balance in your wallet, go to a layer 1 coin and then cash out the whole thing and pay the gas at the same time. So what we need to do firstly, if you have a small coin, we need to switch it into a major coin. So go to trade in the middle, trade here, and then make sure you're using the blockchain that you have the assets on. So I've got assets on the Arbitrum chain, so I'll find that. You can see that I've got USDT and ETH. Now, if I want to cash out everything, what I'm going to do is switch all of my coins into ETH first and then cash out. So I'll go to USDT, I want to sell that, and I want to buy ETH on the Arbitrum network. So I can go max here. I just want to switch that into ETH first so that I can cash out all of the ETH at the same time. You can see that we're going to go through with this trade. Now, depending on how many coins that you have as well, as long as the coins are supported on the centralized exchange, then by all means, send them all into the centralized exchange and trade them there. You may get a better trade, a better exchange rate on the centralized exchange versus doing it on a DEX. That's going to be up to you and how many coins that you have. So you can trade here first. If you want to go ahead with the trade to get everything into the layer 1 coin, see the exchange rate, press trade here. Like this, it's going to show you all of the swap confirmation. If everything's okay for you, down at the bottom, press confirm. That will swap your coins into some other coin. Now in your wallet, you should see balances of the coin that you have. As long as you have a major coin, you can send that into a centralized exchange to cash out. If you already have a Bitget centralized exchange account, you can actually bind the wallet here and your exchange account so that you can easily send crypto back and forth. Go to the bottom left where it says home, then top left, click this menu icon, and it says here bind Bitget exchange account. Click this. If you already have an exchange account, you can see down at the bottom it says bind in the exchange app. If you don't, I'll leave that link below. You can get a deposit and trading bonus via that link as well. But let's say you already have it. I'll press bind. And all it does is share your wallet address between the apps. So it's easy to send crypto back and forth. So if you want to do that, press confirm. And that will be easy when sending crypto out of the wallet. However, what I'm going to do is show you the manual way to do this, because you can send crypto from here to any exchange. It doesn't have to be Bitget via this manual method. Now I'll show you how to manually send crypto out of your wallet to any other exchange or any other wallet. Down in the bottom right, press wallet. You can see your balances here. I've got a balance of ETH, so I'm going to click that and I'm going to send it out to any other exchange. I've got this balance of ETH on the Arbitrum network. When I'm sending crypto out, I need to make sure that wherever I'm sending it can accept this asset and the blockchain that I'm using. So when sending and receiving crypto, same asset, same blockchain. I've got ETH on the Arbitrum network. So wherever I'm sending it, I need to make sure that they can receive ETH on the Arbitrum network. If they can't, then I can't send it there. It's not going to get there. So I have ETH on Arbitrum, and you can see the balance here. I'm going to press send on the left-hand side, and it tells me you've got ETH and the network is Arbitrum. So wherever you're sending to, you have to get the Arbitrum address, and you have to make sure that that exchange allows for the deposit. So I'm going to go over to my centralized exchange. I'll just show you with the Bitget exchange here, but you can use any major exchange: Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Bybit, OKX. As long as they accept ETH on the Arbitrum network, which I'm sending, it will be good to use. So I'm going to search to deposit some ETH like this. This is the same for every single exchange. Go to deposit, choose the asset. Down at the bottom left, I'm going to press deposit here because I'm in the centralized exchange. I need to get my deposit address for the centralized exchange. Now it asks me, well, which blockchain are you using to send this ETH on? In my Bitget wallet account, I have ETH on the Arbitrum network. So I'm going to choose Arbitrum down at the bottom. This is my Arbitrum address for my centralized exchange. Press copy on the address. It's exactly the same no matter which exchange or other wallet that you're using. Get your ETH address on the network that you're sending from. So I have my ETH address on Arbitrum. Then I go back to the wallet. From here, I can send this asset. The receiving address, I'm going to paste in like this. Allow paste. So I now have the receive address. The amount, I can choose any amount here. And down at the bottom where it says gas fee, you can choose anything you want. Normal is fine. A little bit faster is fine. You can see that the gas fees are basically the same. So you can choose instant or fast, normal, up to you. I would not choose slow, just in case the amount that you're paying is not enough and it gets rejected a lot of times. So either normal, fast, or instant. So confirm anything there. I can see that I'm sending ETH on Arbitrum. I know the address is an Arbitrum address at the centralized exchange. This amount that I'm sending, the gas fee here, I can go and confirm that like this. And that will go through confirm everywhere that I'm sending it. You can see here, send confirmation. And so that will send the asset out of my account into the centralized exchange account, whether it's Bitget or any other centralized exchange. You can use that withdrawal method to any other wallet. So if you have a centralized exchange anywhere, or if you're sending to a different person with their own wallet, you can use that exact same method. Just make sure that the asset and the blockchain are supported on both ends. But I've sent that ETH into Bitget as an example, and now I can trade out. Again, this is the same on every other exchange. So if you need to know how to sign up for exchanges, use them, get money in and out, all of those video guides are down below. But I want to go to trade now in my Bitget centralized exchange account. I can trade down at the bottom. I sent some ETH in. So up at the top left, you can see I can choose the trading pair. This is for cashing out. What I want to do is choose the fiat currency trading pair. For my app, I've got ETH against euros. Now, if you sent Bitcoin in here or Sol in here, you can see those trading pairs are here as well. You can sell Bitcoin for euros, Sol for euros, ETH for euros, USDC for euros, and a few other trading pairs as well. I sent ETH in, so I'm going to choose ETH Euro. I can now sell ETH for euros. So if I sell my balance here, I want to press sell. You can choose the amount that you're selling. Choose a amount for your trade. If you want to get the trade done, choose a market order. So where it says buy, sell, just below that it says limit. You can choose market order if you want to get the trade done very quickly. And you just choose the amount or quantity of ETH that you're selling and press sell ETH down at the bottom, and it sells the ETH for, on this occasion, euros. So I can cash out euros, but I can't cash out many other currencies. Again, this is going to be dependent on where you live. Some countries are going to have better on and off ramps. Some exchanges are going to support your currency in your region. Maybe some others don't. So you have to find the best exchange in your region. Like I said, down in the description, I'll leave major exchanges and the currencies that are supported there. So I'm selling ETH for euros, and I can sell the amount that I want. Sell that ETH. That will actually put euros into my trading account on Bitget, and then I can cash out the euros. Cashing out to euros is just an example. If you don't live in Europe, you're going to have your preferred currency on whichever major exchanges in your country. But once you have fiat currency in your centralized trading account, you want to withdraw that. So go to withdraw on your exchange. Up at the top, I'll press withdraw. Crypto or fiat, I want to press fiat withdraw. I sold to euros, so I can withdraw euros here. And it's going to ask me to bind my payment method. As you can see, the currency is euros. I can use SEPA, and I have to bind a phone number, ID, and everything else. Now, I don't live in Europe, so I'm not going to do this, but you can just go through and bind all of your KYC information. That's obviously your ID card and everything, and make sure that the bank account is linked, and they'll send that euro out to you, or in your country, whatever the currency is. Again, all of the video guides will be left in the description for getting set up on crypto exchanges. Deposit and trading bonuses there as well. That's how to send out on Bitget Wallet. I'm James, it's MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.